Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematics. So in this video we'll focus on chapter 4, Indices, Search and Logarithms, and let's aim ourselves to learn two things from this video. Alright, so I'll let you have a few seconds to go through the question first. Part A is an index question and we have two equations. So this involves x and p, this involves q and y, and we need to use this equation to express p in terms of q. So meaning the p, we need to move it to the left side. So here we can make the bases to become similar. So here we have 3, but this we have 9. So we can change this to 3 squared. And we can switch the positions of 2 and x because 3x is actually square root p. So you can just straight sub into here. And for 3y, you can see that from the second equation, the power y is on the right side. So to move it to the left side is quite easy. We just need to invert the positions. So from 1 over y, we change it to y over 1, which is also y. So here we can just substitute q. And once we substitute, we can simplify the equation and make sure p is on the left side. And part B is a logarithm question and we need to express a in terms of m. So if you look at their bases, all are different. So maybe we can switch the places of the base and the value to ensure all the bases to become n. So we can use this formula to help us out. So this means that if we want to change the base, we can split it into two logs. The value a, we move it to the top, b, we move it at the bottom, and we put the new base here, which is c. So here we can use a special case from this formula. Instead of using c, we use the value of the original log, which is a. So here our base and the value would be the same. So here we can convert it into 1. So if you look at the overall equation, you can see that we are changing the positions of b and a. And we can apply this formula back here to change the positions of the base and the value. And you can see that all the base becomes m. So this is our first step to change the base. And the second step is to manipulate. So we need to manipulate all these logarithm values to become one single value. So we can use these two logarithm formulas. So meaning if we add two logarithm values, we can multiply the values inside the log. If we minus, we can divide. So going back to the question, this one, since it's positive, we can put it upwards. This one, since it's negative, we need to divide. So we need to divide by 3. And for this one, since we are moving it to the left side, it becomes positive, meaning we need to multiply. Step 3, we need to change this equation's format from log to the index form. Reason is because this is the simplest log form. So to change it is quite easy. So if you look this as an example, we can expand the m and we switch the places of x and y. So here's the same. We expand m, exchange the places of these two things. Now we just move the a to the left side and the others move to the right side. And with that, we have completed today's question. Alright, so here are the things we need to learn from this video, or the take home points. So the first thing is, for indices questions, the first step is to change all the numbers to the same base. So for example, just now we have 9x and 3x. We can change this 9 to 3 to the power of 2 because now you can see that both values have the same base. And the second point is logarithms. So usually we can follow these 3 steps. So the first step is to change the base. So for example, just now the question, we change all the logarithms base to m. And step 2 is to manipulate because sometimes we need to combine those log values to one single value. So we can use the two formulas we have seen just now. And the third formula is actually if the number has this power, we can move it to the front. So you can see it appears here. And step 3, we need to change the form from log to index. So we just need to do two things. One, we need to expand this a, and y and x we exchange places. Alright, so here's the answer scheme of this question, and hopefully you have learned something new from this video. So if you feel this video is beneficial to you, please give a like, subscribe, and share. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.